At Learningescalator, we offer free knowledge sharing sessions to students. We are starting our 2021 virtual summer sessions, each 1 week long, focusing on a different topic each week. Let me first have a quick intro about myself. I'm currently a high school student in York Region, Ontario. I'm interested in a diverse range of topics such as math, computer, and music. I've had achievements in different math contests, details on website, and I voluntarily set up these sessions to create a helpful, sharing, and fun learning platform for everyone. The first week will be about Scratch programming. Since the Ontario curriculum has recently added computer programming, this course will teach the basics, starting from scratch. This will build a good foundation for learning other programming languages in the future, such as Python, Java, and C++. The second week will be on grade 5 to 6 advanced math. The purpose is to inspire students' passions for math and improve math solving strategies and skills. This will also be useful for math contests in the future, like the Waterloo contests and Math Kangaroo. If you're interested, please sign up on any of these courses at learningescalator.com/courses. Spots are limited and they will be accepted on a first-come, first-served basis. Class dates and specific time slots will be posted on my website soon. Look forward to meeting you in the upcoming virtual classes.